GH nie Ghana for ahwefo etiefo onipa bi a won subscribe e too much GH no subscribe wo na ehintasem ensem a ebuafa oman Ghana so ena ye de bremu one God nie the only one God in GH eho ana de bia mehwe abrechefo ene Ghana for mo mo wiasa fa na ina me recommend emamo too much GH yo too much GH nie Ghana for ahwefo etiefo onipa bi a won subscribe e too much GH no subscribe wo na ehintasem ensem a ebuafa oman Ghana so ena ye de bremu one God
na say what I was so
yo too much GH nie Ghana for ahwefo etiefo onipa bi a won subscribe e too much GH no subscribe wo na ehintasem ensem a ebuafa oman Ghana so ena ye de bremu one God nie the only one God in GH eho ana de bia mehwe abrechefo ene Ghana for mo wiasa fa na ina me recommend emamo too much GH yo too much GH nie Ghana for
any adoption na obibia akwaba ede about too much GH so Ghana wahala junode na ebre asista mo for mu aba etikapa and so mede ebaba some ashafo any etifo na ewusia enede video bi ekọ viral ewo my Ghana emu nina eye constituency debate ekọ so 3FM4 de share so ewo ayawa so west Mugon constituency meche ya mame Lydia Alhassan wone Dumelo ne womo ekeka enwo tete womo kwatina ati anade so womo debate ekọ esom na enumu na tese Dumelo kokko piem wo hon wo kire enyuma womo aye enyoma womo ekane tete ne laptop sa wakata wo ye no nko ne ba na time almost starting meeting na Lydia Alhassan wonu omeme piemu e wo almost starting meeting no and debate no around 8 but mama Lydia Alhassan be piemu on around 10:40 something na wo ba na wonu so edi na nom to debate nim said papa na ti nya bema Dumelo extra de womo no nko ne ba na ma mama Lydia edin sem to eja ese Dumelo wonya white tanka or ye white and go be who how better to name and say no didn't sem no to eja say Dumelo is not a wise man because if he was wise he would have known that he could have just stopped up one day to construct a new drainage system in the constituency. Where any someone would be up to a jump. Now, no, not a man, not the one air, what a digital, not the one air. Now, the word a white now will use yes or no white or can a tree cut the one is a tree cut out to them. Was said will be a say ATM ACF. Then on uncle ye amfa amayenia bema Dumelo. Emma Neka say now who more amantem. Now what amantem na ye katana with the one over to my me and a baba by ye. Then you bema ko I said the minister in Chamudian just one a cost on our politics uncle Basaman. I just go quite and to was sorry as a walk and a one not a new pan and sit out for me a coming down Emma no exna here at him. Then no and I'm gonna focus now there you Edakoma any politics any branching Nadia said the constituency will be your plan because the great national before we just the simple talk not a no company who will be any then I bet my at the Abwa and your constituency. Now I would say for my social video nearby.
That's a what I was so that's what I'm trying to say.
That's the point.
I was saying sorry, Keke, I was so busy.
You can't you can't come in. You want my next. What about
Lydia Alhassan Jojo kuma actor Dumelo no so no chete sorry na koma that instance na dia nke no am debate no wo mo eba na ye na enu mo ensem no se de airport ntimato exam afremi ankasa mi aba mathematical so wo meka me ho na se de enyoma esi ekoye no yempe ensem no ne pomatibe entikan wen na se wo hwe yen so am kai se wo do comment wa chincha wo pa ensem ho ebeba abetu eja segment no mo afaba ni aba me de so bibi aboko ya me adu bibi aye fan the crystal wo hwe ye nua be me John Dumelo to figure or pray for MP Ayawa so West Mugon constituency. Na enam say the competitor our nino eti account no MPP Mami Lydia Alhassan nene ya wo dan again some our kan ye no te share no before nanka wo sorry that action that moment scenario na call from then a bit na happen you mini aba sika medawa na first of all made na akunye so if you have too much experience from your phone said that moje bre ehwe na me ensure amu na sika when say in our daily life you know feel that actor John Dumelo na wo acting field I know me any say then ya group amoshia no mu shia se mo shooting movie ni adia immediate be wo and I think so fans after my father they admire you because the be a ujina no enye obi ana obetumi ejina wo na say o fan kra ye wa ba wo wo private you can say DM they say be the whole world will be looking at you now this is a different showdown me say wa be bra me nya show to your experience because politics there the accommodation din na politics mini aba even his excellence in another dankwa who ni Ghana ha emma even students mo chiromo wasi omumu bi kwa here na nado look at the way Nanado took it and Ghana ha say ye kasa Nanado onu dani da ebunu so enye his excellence Nanado na ye ex-president
John Dramani Mahama
mini aba now, this it got to a time grandpa it should be by papa no saga. Now, can say your papa can John Dramani Mahama who ever how. Now to share look at the way our ex-president overcame that kind of rumors, whether it's true or what. Ghana for the can say no can but in the we didn't say our under training. Because mommy we are in politics. That's it. Only in politics. She has the heart of politics. But me Felice Anka, John Dumelo. Instead, because of on your experience, I want him say there is tactics in politics. That's the reason why I didn't Akuma act here because I don't think somebody near them. Now what's not now? On yet to send the Anyama Meneka. One thing and also can adwin the encounter you can be counter now the counter mameno who sorry politics in the better way a coward because politics there is all about debate all these conferences udua is debating obi agent and at the end the majority carries their vote it is a minority akuma all the time contribution will not be added because who ni akuma odi tunkasa who participated. And look at this woman, because she know politics, who are offending Obi, what she said wasn't right. I will not say it's good. It wasn't good. But because of politics, what will you do? It's politics. So what do you have to do? You have to counter. I think the one is said, John Dumelo, or a man, and every man needs respect. And I'm meaning who say despite politics, it's not a matter of insult. Politics, say, who expressing what you've done, what you can do, the capabilities, the heart you have for Ghana, and you debate on it, what you've done. Now convince the people that this is what we've done, and we need your vote to continue. Outside that, the politics, that means but all the same, the meaning of the fielder, what they will I feel say he feel embarrassed, say Obama. In that aspect, it wasn't right there or yes that, but all the same, you should expect more because in Kuala, when it comes to politics, in Kuala Betunia, Obi Betunia, your fans can turn to your enemies because your fans now one. It's a CIA divided, a few MPP, and I will NDC. It's a year then our fans now because we enter into politics now. People will hate you and they'll start commenting the way you will not like them. Obama is the all Casano, my young say, yes, all politics, my Nipa, like, and son of people making decision. Say, Mr. Semi family, what are the things that on and as a normal brain, a woman say. I deal with the meeting and like quality brain and I want looking up to. Okay, first of all, the person should be intelligent. Okay. Should be smart to counter. Okay. And all the same, so you're bold. Okay. Bold and courageous and beautiful. It doesn't matter who you have to be bold because you are dealing with people. Okay. It's all the time. So we are alert to say. Who party you are a war, over politics more, a year in Pokwa, and what do a bravo akoshim. And all the time you be struggling to penetrate, to pass through. That's the quality you should have. Say, at the end, Ghana people will express their point of view. It's democracy. Opinions is allowed. If you want to enter building or want to fill the field with enter, after Dumelo said, you should know that the field he was is different from the field he is trying to go right now. If you should do more inquiries about politics, you should make sure that he will know more about the economy and the opposition party, and you should know more about another party so that he build himself to be so much confident. Maybe you are confident in acting, but you are not confident in politics. Okay. You should gather more confidence because politics is what is coming from you. And so now, no one news saying because anything just in you who said a bit multimeter a year, John Dramani Mahama, because or no any a year or frank no flag bearer. Now said the Binuche Binomopua, a Binumutimi, a tutu, a yampia or radio station, TV station. Doesn't mean that when who be want to be and I was think or gather more Nyoma say at any moment you bet me I can be a bit Mama Kaisa should be a member of parliament, you book for you, who says Chia, are you my colleague? You should know. I'm sure he knows. But when the fun comes real, at times you can't stand it. Okay. From afar to two, observers are worried. They will say, "Oh, you can do it like as they are sitting here saying, oh, Anka so you say, Anka so encounter or counter, Sanka or who the meaning of the Jordan or But when it happens in reality at times, I won't ideally, hey, sad during to a real. At times you can only me and that courage, and you will say it will be like, hey, is this baby? I'm even one Shanaka saying, yeah, whatever hate so. It means when they say. If he answer, he will build himself through all this kind of experience. Also, all the time, what we go through and build us up. Sure. Well, I believe so, but to face you, saying it's cheap. Do you get it? But doing it at times very, very difficult. So when the thing becomes so real,
at times it overcomes you unless you learn from your experience.
Okay. Now, Ghana for na a film in Chomode Banu to say, planting, and I am a Lydia Alhassan for planning, say a meet na start 2 hours ago. Now we near around. Now, Oba, yeah, what they a year and papa, and I say like, what they are semi best show will be able for. Ɛna ɛbɛn ti no dodo na tutu sɛ ɔplane yɛ sɛ de bi ɔbɛteki ɛyɛ dominion ɛwɔ program na ti sɛ na ɛno tutu wo no esi
Your politics is game. And aside that, one said there are people who are on the real of this thing will based on two things.
Okay.
Either say a plan, most people on one plan and say, I will let them go this way so that maybe may opposite say you will not perform.
Okay.
And I say will not feel good to express himself.
Sure.
And I say our character be one and one. She's kind of won't say young people for a bit more beyond the cover to do a kind of quick temper. And see at times, needs to buy it says they need saying won't even face yeah they are a bit PA. If you a bit me I say blend with on one the personality, if you are that kind of
one personality now one
make about honorable Lydia.
Okay.
Obi one a personality or yeah quick temper that if something doesn't get to them well, they just act. And because Ghana politics they've let it be like expressing yourself with insults. That's the trend. Or not to DHD. Tradition goes on. Ghana politics are insult, condemnation, and all the time attacking. So I think that either is the game she was playing, and I said, one side of her, and our LGBT, and if that's a side of her, then I think she has to do something about it because Obi Jai politics. Like that moment, politics is possible. But one mindset one also the other side now watch there, not to the other side. I think that it will not go well with you because you are a lady. So at least you can counter, but not with insults. What do you mean can't say? Or you can't say that.
Okay. Now, share a bema. The reaction our taking thank a wall sorry a day aqua. Mad runners who is them. That action on Quampono or one who is only capable of being an MP in that constituency. Intuition, wait a bit more point just because of the reaction I will take it here. I went to mention also because of just a statement. I make all those things. It's not just, but it's a statement that will be understood of far and simply. Could it affect him or a year about 21?
Many about Obiani Senia or active in a hunger. Obi or any book full and I didn't get it to him well. One year, a bear next to me act on in time because the lady was not ready to stop.
Sure.
Or kind in Nampa was sorry to walk on that store I cannot wait a whole lot of weight. It's your view of the way you handle the issue. It's okay, I came to debate. But me won't say you are woman when you actually when you tone. Like if you are the purpose why I'm here, and I mean him. So why should I sit and debate? And he have every right to decide on how he handle his anger. And so or when they say if you are the best thing is if you are the maybe boom phone broso and I say bia and go back and not commit me the best thing is a mess story. Next time you can do it. But all the same, and they are affecting us. But one thing that I will add up, you should add up to himself and say, when it comes to politics, these things it will be coming most often. Because politics. All the time, won't say a lawyers and agency. That was say those in politics all the time, away condemn even president, his excellency, they be all condemn, yet me can say, or corrupt. Or you say recently Mr. Matamidu, what are the example for Babas? I bet to walk. Yet as somewhere someone but that's one way of politics in Ghana. I will not say everywhere, but in Ghana as a whole. It's in Yamimi person what they can or really ambition or like he's ambitious to be in politics, yeah. And yet there are some things he has to pick up. Tolerance. And at times, so you're so bold and confident that those things shouldn't move in. But you should rather put you should rather let him put in more because you say no story, you know, and go bet me account no, or bet me allow no, or retaliate, but not the way he did because the way and do don't have a and the way I won't abandon to what she's into politics, the way on also counter and also it makes him look like a coward. Meanwhile, it's not like that. She offended you. And that moment, the ground you are standing, yeah, dear. Wobɛgye ato mu sɛ wa offend wo.
To say a so on pan at all one the word me kwampo no enya de sɛ wɔyɛ.
That moment enya ade a ɔbɛyɛ.
Because
Ghana for you.
When we say nipa no I feel offended. And he said it's your responsibility to show remorse.
That's what she was supposed to do, exactly. And they were not there to fight. I don't think they planned to argue. So what in my sure some plan say omo ko party to mushia eko kan o ma adwin after a year omo party ni omo nim clear that was only the mission or the vision they that took them. Then she said akoba center kwaba wo wenu mu asem obi wo kra ono onim say wanya adi but because of politics you know obeye bibia that moment to counter opposition. It me who say she was supposed to apologize. But the thing is, politics, and politics come with a whole lot of mechanics and games. It's I see it to be one of the games. What is the way I would see a story to or yes, a walk or crack, or say a bonnet, they say, or a coward, almost true, and no kind of other party. I just said we conquer. Meanwhile, she didn't do it here.
Now, when some career,
but I affecting in any way. Because those people know him more. I'm sure that so far as he wants to be in charge, there were cover on your makasa, intentions. And if they are really for him, those things will not change your mind about him. But the thing is, on one person, they say, or working on himself, know who they feel that want to see or then no aquaculture.
Okay. Now, woman, you say Ghana, you won't say, politics is all about who be defend who with and that's all be making statements with insult, no, Bema war aqua, and kind. Share other countries, they also vote on your campaign, on your BBR, and so, sir, Katachichi. Say way the their term and I say beauty words counter the opponent and I say what they campaign at the opponent and your common I didn't Ghana had the and on your father to your want to say and on the baby because I know the bit me up why am I simple. Yet me have any other way I bit me a campaign without stepping on another one's toe.
Me about when they say yes, democracy. People were living almost now for 4 years democracy. They were already using democracy and some are in Ghana. They are called joining it. But who will say, yeah, after the mana bro so abro the way I see it. Yeah, my father say your wedding started to yeah, why we are 2 years info at one chain and I say your white wedding. That's a but you can't say other countries here compare and one said they are developed. And Ghana is still developing. It is every aspect we are developing. Politics, we are still developing. Financial, economics, we are still developing. And when would Ghana develop? When would Ghana develop? When you are learning, the good things there, pick it and take it to your hometown or wherever you belong. It is a matter of democracy. How do they do it? With conflict. Any yana. If they don't do it like that, then we shouldn't do it like that. But you see, and the picture is a generation, any generation, someone you see, and you can say the picture we know is that Ghana, a yakuma, a buffo, any idea politics. But there be anchor a simple. It's me the when you say Ghana, we have a long way to go. We have a long way to go, and the field of politics, we have a long way to go. We have to develop. Because the way we do our things in politics, it's not real. It's like enviness. And yet to say that we are building Ghana, but it's like self-gain. Because of self-gain, since the other time, if the person is not doing well crying and supporting no now yeah opposite party or yeah there but I think that it's time that we have to come to our senses. Sorry to say now we become one. Unity is power.
It's
Together we stand.
Divided
So
we fall.
yes, so if Ghana will come together as one nation, I think Mother Ghana will be happy because we have to change our mentality and the way we do our things. Then we can develop. Because your development na kechi ni aba.
Na yetimi sua wo bi edu empepe so bi say yetimi kechi mani eyi.
Na yen kechi ya kechi obi bi emo. Ye bibi ama ne bro so.
Ye you think I will even so be ama na bro so na nka wo mo mu twa ni pa me. Enso ba ni say na yetimi sua bro so ama wo sa pa echi.
Inenti etiano. Ena wo ya pesemi nkuminya ena omo pentem nyom wo. Enti ama respect and somebody ma each other or do I somebody promote what is good, you know, it's not there. There be some media on native form. Na me show. Na me yet can be a mistake. If you be a person with no be and nothing that we cannot develop the mentality as I said. The answer say I drink beer. Ghana, you need baby a cool. The answer say corruption agenda. Me na come at you. Bribery and corruption 99% in Ghana. Airport corruption ejuma obi ewia ne no me si obi a mate fu owia drivers wia miniaba chese obi ewia obi a taking advantage of each other but yen share white man country dia honest B so nya wonye wo e wona ni picking it out because ono onye wo but Ghana as you na the same who the shop na area obi so the
pen
area so all the time your mentality ni ye kronobo etie ma ye nko bebia because who we are there and me find the man in ye but the who be clean job me did say out of the lecture you will be blessed. It's Ghana, sister. Before Ghana, they will judge our conflict in politics, no, and we will choose the great leader. No, we have to come together. Now you judge our crown, but obia petobia, and they're from the top, 7 to the down, obia. Now you judge there, a better jinsa Ghana be developed, and then kosher rent, and afford it. Obi the 1 bedroom, single room with common 1 kitchen. 600, 800 cedis. Where is the rent control? Where is the rent control? A whole lot is happening. I say, Obia put a near gusto. Who call a year bed set? Baby on my year certificate. I want to Obia a year with who they continually say, who call your bed set? Not down moment no sika etia on sanka passport office on sanka me say ube kwana ni pilot emu agent ni ade so if we don't change the Ghana will not develop as all the time so there will be bigger there won't crop for for because Ghana we are young
abonasi ya baba eye wusu ebiemo na ya comment ni bi aba ya beken kan na ansa na ebewura comment no nimeko bi na so ya sen ma ye bi edumadi no ebe so mo mama Juliet Ventures kan wo bi eba ne chance papa wo de ebe tete wo de mo kitchen appliances dia enye mama Juliet water enyo mani nam say blenders cookers microwave then na wo shisha wo ne bi mama Juliet Ventures ubenya no mani na ebi ewo enti pa ne number was screen so ne no educate enkomo the reason to our obeye the amount Lord Master aba the amagana aban eduma ye for say wa usika for controller or affordability and kwa edia radio wato edi pa ne number ne no educate komo se obeye sika won to fu betimi the aye wo project na interest no dey ebutafo kama no to betimi aboa wo na ebiemo enso so ni two things but we dan we na pesa won bo wo dan so ebie any no two things ebebo ta djuma no amount ombema wo enchete papa na huso no enso ta FFP dey see empost ewia ebebo so ama enso aka epa
ɛna deɛ nso sɛ ntokuro ɛbɛba bɛgye dɛm mu akyɛ sɛ woda dɛm a na nsuo tɔ a wɔresusɔ baabi ebi ɛni hɔ saa nti panifo pipi nso wɔn ɛnamba na ɛne wɔn twitwe ɛyɛ nkɔmɔ comment na ebi aba no dodoɔ na ɛdeɛ a wɔn nso ne wɔn susu sɛ ɛyɛ dɔndɔn no wɔn mu sɛ politics deɛ ɛyɛ executive game o na mo ame kenkan ɛyɛ mako mmienu bi na yɛn nso ɛyɛ nkɔmɔ no ɛso that blog ɛsɛ high too much ɛso so Francis yeah or cancel too much thank you for the good work you are doing keep it on Francis City okay yeah that's it wasanso yeah star blog above you was it John Dumelo thinks politics is cantata or also idea and no someone has to let John Dumelo understand that politics is a dirty game yeah Francis Okensi Abejo these girls are doing a great job yeah that was see a great yeah every so there was the about politics is a dirty game he have to understand. Please, this woman is very foolish. Oh, so at the beginning, I am to ever and my start blog about it. She just sharing her opinion about what is happening, and you don't need to insult her. Okay. Kwame said about him. John Dumelo should answer for the land cruiser given to him, which he is not he is not to accept it. He didn't disqualified for parliamentary TV. When I walk on here, Ken Boateng there was there. I'm watching live from Paradise Island between K Asante was say Ayawa so West is going to be interesting battle between John Dumelo and Lydia Alhassan. I like the level of competition in the constituency. Both contestants have the chance to win. It's good for development. And also na yɛmbra ɛyɛ maame yi ɛso yɛgyina ɛyɛ dwondwuma mu so a yɛ maame ɛyɛ Lydia Alhassan dodoɔ no asusu sɛ ɛnam sɛ ɛyɛ n'amanyɔkuo ɛna ɛte soɔ na ɛyɛ Ayawa so West Mugon hɔ no watena so a mfie bebree no enti no osusu sɛ biribiara ne hɔ no mu a ebetumi ɛyi no ɛfiri ɛyɛ hɔ no ma na sɛ obiara ne hɔ no obetumi aba abɛtu no adeɛ so nunti na wɔyɛ saa ɛyɛ ɛnoma sɛ deɛ ɛbɛyɛ anka ebi John Dumelo ɛbɛ react in a different way bi ɛbɛka ne su ne ne ban wei ɛna yɛbɛto aba ɛde ama no sɛ wɔmɛmɛyɛ MP ɛwɔ hɔ no sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ yɛbɛhu sɛ like ɔkureti saa deɛ na anasɛ wɔyɛ saa deɛ sɛ ɔde bɛpenti ɛyɛ John Dumelo black ama dodoɔ no ɛho ne sɛ ɛnsɛ ɛmfata sɛ ɛbɛto ama ɛyɛ NDC amanyɔkuo contestant bi ɔbɛba abɛgyina ɛyɛ hɔ no na yɛnto ɛfa ɛma no na nipa wotena se sɛ yɛ nokorɛ saa wotena se na wodwen ɛyɛ ndie bi sɛ yɛn so bi sɛ sɛdeɛ wode bɛsɛ ɛyɛ wo yɔnko a ɛyɛ
Yomi Yabasika enye ade papa like whatever she did na whether the intention yes and the intention yes na ebe pie mu no wanya de effect when it say anka wuku na abetumi aye no so we enye ade papa insult doesn't solve anything unjuma honorable Lydia unjuma ene bedi wechi what she did no say the plan to say wo ya counter actor still crampo no it's not assured say wa really and I say wa overshadow no because at the end Ghana has a say any ate unjuma na bedi wechi otina so many years no impatemu one then na we ye no unjuma di a udi ye so any enye kasa o say di enye kasa ni awaye no e na dodo na abehwe so say this issue abepie mu no me na make a chomi aba Ghana for all my dream that one of the vote ama say honorable Lydia why na agent you be vote ama Johnson why na agent that it to say cantata yeah cause drama way and I say who try create a mess and a bet say you are going to win or you are going to so whatever if that's the intention say or yeah good anymore to send a bear or not to be over acting now just say I say your no image there. And then she has failed. She has failed because and yet appropriate. This will not it will not even speak well of her on one kata. Because Bema Ghana from Bema Gua and Ban to Gua. Now you to say what Ghana ha. In Bema then they say Obi Abegani Philippines. Yeah, because what are we we learning from you? What you just did? Me can hear side in info. It doesn't speak well of you. Yebeka sa bontimpo na wo say and na wo fie die. Eye wo kunu so die na ye di nya wo de ye no. Because ade a senya wo titie no, ni nya ba. Enu na wo di pie. It is that kind of attitude now exhibit wo on there. I'm not in support of it at all because onu free say bia wo ye tia eye don Dumelo, but at the end of the day no, onu a na be ko tia because any woman of value, a woman of substance will think twice, before they act. They will not just act anyhow. Okay. She just acted without thinking the implication. Debate equals to the sure. This is not the first time out. You have to debate with facts, but not with insults.
Okay. Now, yeah, nyoma wo ye betinya susupi anase se wo bi dwen say FPP amanyoko no chete enkofo a wo mo sakataka wo mo violence a enkofo kan wo mo di kan.
That's the impression I we're creating. Okay. But I say enkofo say obiani efia wo free mu, obiani the way an enie bie, obiani ni nimudie, obi wo wa okra post but said o okra sini pan and obi wo wan so a wo bu ne ho enti on fast tebia we and abrabo we nko bebia. They always control themselves. They will be in order. They will do what is right. Now for no it don't mean fa obako for and folly obia but all the same in katia bako say in katia ni na enti akoba ni say there people will think we will have that look at MPP say and they say MPP for no I say ya no mo tie omo no mama ni sa power no and I say more supporting definitely people will say that. But people should know say obiani nisu ene ne banya wodena.
Okay. Obamesi yede yenkomodidie no ba eye na ye ya eneta. Na answer na do final words ebe to eye eja no. Yeah say one more edan eye suban bi say edi na eche say emebunu no nsusu esua. One more evia one more tian emebunu no na ebia enye anaso wo menya eye entity pam entity pani wodan suban bi sei edi na nkwada wo mu ewo fie so a wo mu ehwe because eye den yam wo ye MP ewo ta constituency wo nipa no wo fawo say ebia wo hwe wesuan wo pese obeye tita wo dachi ebi na me ye bi sei na modan na die enwoma bi sei na moye no den na ekasa anasem so wo kokoye pani a udan ye bi say bia eden na ya na eden so be make say so be na ya na eden ma enchuma na mabunu na wo mu looking up to them no
yo mini aba ese wo mu bebre che ye be kan no kre wo Ghana ha you to baba wo mu mbu she indiscipline no ebusu wo Ghana because of all those attitudes I am saying for any movie they see social media no more that. And all this kind of riot, the attitude, the bad attitude, the takasakayane, katashishane for any lekwato online. Enti idea emboa, ema imbe Bruno, efa ni ya, otite obi owa won't say we say next time on to say, hey, and I make politics, me say me hard thing. Meanwhile, ye good attitude. So say ye sit here, enti omo no influence youth, no, ama youth omabano, womu bua die. I be mutimi sorry year of president. Why Ghana adibonia miniaba? It's a hard truth. Adibonia. Now saying the one we see Ewa Ghana. Just a minister, a member of parliament. I buy you a bit me. I want to be see no. Penny pian to me. And to me, and you know what I buy you didn't do it apart from maybe social media will be very a penny move far as here. So I did boni Ghana. And as the Kobani say, you encourage this kind of life. It will get to a time. It never be say develop it to become something extreme. Ebeka can who say, Ebiananya NDC. Now to buy where you build or use anymore. What's the one? Wouldn't be a friend of a year war. Distract war, say youth plotted. Say no more demonstration. Say in 24 sorry, I'm a discipline. And I'm Bemu Ghana. Later, almost the year parliament house. na youth ni bi abebo dumping edinsemu because they are looking up to people. Yes, they are looking up to their leaders, and they see that kind of violence in them. So it will get to a time if we don't stop this, if Ghana doesn't stop this, my sister, ebedu baby no.
Yentimi to aso.
Yo riaba.
But your final words are what they ever my ashoponi eti for one more eto. Esa se enche bia abato eba because dey debate na rally maybe one more ebe ko bie. Abuto be na adeba mo na den na be ka che one more eto.
Yo ready e command in pain for any papa. Leadership by example. Ye hwemo. Enti mo ma mutu ban no enye ye hwe. Na ye mentor one just say ye because they are commanding say you won't say conflict, violence, and I'm really down a hand. You are imparting in us automatically. What we see is what we become. It's about you we've become violent and indisciplined. It's even governance and indiscipline. Building, more united we stand, departed we fall. Outside that, also, Obibia will share me. Election date, no, no, the power show. Seven, Munyansa, uko free, memo be coin. Obima 10,000 crown, and when ya, at least 10,000. You are priceless. It's member, don't be a fool. Member will be underrated too. Now on try on only personal interest via working, they can't share any project and push you to be violent. Now we did them, but you when it rare, when it is above free, there be move on by one side, let's make it fast to J. Echo of Tubia without your communicate. If you remember now, never dream, if you say, or nobody power, send your neck, you're the best to just say, a year politics, my family and friends, you know. Hey, ububi wa wakanana, uwune feeling that I don't know so with that and cool.
Yo, I was here for study of Mercy, Aka, and on a D18 comment Lydia, making kind of Emma, a year ashopone, far 80. Forget them, they about the lady has spoken very well. I about Abaso Mercy. K. Asante, I don't like both NPP and NDC since they are all the same. They are taking advantage of Ghanaians. I raise the smaller parties do a great alliance in the future and break down this. Francis Okanti, Edode, but it's too much. You are the best. Yeah, that's it. Forget them, Edode, about the well spoken, my lady. Lydia's attitude towards John was unfair, very bad of Lydia. Forget them after the John. Lydia's behavior towards John is becoming crime. Abdul Nasser, yes, Somalia, Edode, about our attitude towards power and politics is less mature. Ghanaians are really greedy and selfish, so we tend to lose our moral when we get money and power. Adu wakami na me a show pa a year. Say, when you are moving my venture, it's me a better support. Say, now I had a bread and my I may give you no essay. Subscribe to the channel, Mr. Wanya. Like your videos, my share. If you move so, open to my follow your IG page at @GH_Twitter, @GH_ na Facebook, @GH. Near Adomano, so and only idea is here because over who they ever like, over who they upload this video, Piana, Adomano, and a Bama notification. I'm our who are at the end. I know what you know, they are custom trending issues. Or my you and some the enquiry, one of them to Nadu one. Won't wait to me actually a year wide our home into the my pepe now one share a year next episode that day ever by about the so much maybe at the clear papa.
Too much GH. Many have come and many have gone, but you are a great Kankambuka ability, worth being beheld by every optical nerves. That saith the papacy.
Keep watching Too Much GH and you get the best of entertainment, the best of everything you want.
My name is Ohima One. Keep watching Too Much GH. It's the best.
Keep watching Too Much GH.